Hey guys, I'm here at Incheon Airport, just so stoked for this camping trip to the Korean mountains. Look at this place. Okay, first vlog. Seoul's pretty cool at sunrise. Lots of food here. People are looking at me funny though. Wow, look at that mountain. We're finally getting close. I can't wait to climb it. This is gonna be epic.
Yo, what's up everyone? It's your boy back again, and today I'm camping in South Korea.
Okay guys, for today's recipe, we've got sliced beef, garlic, green onions, gochujang, kimchi, sesame oil, and soy sauce.
Okay, I already got the portable grill set up. Fire's lit. Let's get this meat sizzling. Ah, ah.
You got to get that good sear on both sides, maybe 2-3 minutes each, depending on how you like it.
Boom! One bite. Yo, that is stupid good.
Okay, got the whole camp set up, tent, grill going, snacks are ready. Mountains look amazing today. This is guerrilla camping at its finest. Okay, first up, my trusty sleeping bag. Next, this cooking pot is essential, and here's my waterproof backpack.
Man, this grilling is hard work. Gotta stay hydrated, you know?
It's important to always leave your campsite cleaner than you found it. Leave no trace, that's the motto.
Honestly, nothing beats this. Okay, gotta get this lantern open. Almost dark. There we go. See? Now we're all set for the night.
First thing you want to do is get your sleeping bag laid out, make sure it's nice and comfy, and keep your flashlight handy.
Another glorious morning. Time to see what the world has to offer today.
Slept like a log. Today, we explore deeper into this amazing forest. It's important to respect nature, pack out everything you bring in. Leave no trace, keep our wild places beautiful.
See you on the next adventure. Peace out from Korea.